This is the Redmi S2. It is one of the cheapest mobiles I've seen on the market at under £130. And with the cheapness, do we lack any kind of quality at all? Let's find out. So unboxing this guy and you will see it comes with the conventional things in the box. A case, power cable and adapter. No headphones this time on this occasion, which is a bit of a downer, but hey ho. So let's not waste any time and take a look at that screen. It's not far off 6 inches with a resolution of 1440 by 720. I mean, the display is certainly sharp and offers some great clarity, it's just not as fantastic as some of the bigger names from the same manufacturer. But nevertheless, for an entry level phone with this price tag, it isn't half bad. The phone does feel large in hand, so if that's something you don't like, please take that to note. You will find that one-handed usage will be quite difficult. Sometimes you need to jiggle your hand placement in order to use the onboard fingerprint scanner. I will say though, that fingerprint scanner is fantastic. From point of contact to unlocking, it is almost lag free. And to be honest, the same goes with the onboard AI face unlock. It doesn't struggle at all. With most of these phones on the market, you have a dual SIM capabilities with worldwide network access. So it's got that appealing aspect for travelers or people always on the move. In regards to the onboard cameras front and back, they're what you'd expect from a phone of this price. I mean, they're okay, there's no doubting for casual shooting and picture taking, this will fulfill your needs. You've got a dual camera on the back that almost perfects portrait photos. It does give it a good go, and blurring off that background sometimes can fall a little short. They opted for a higher resolution camera at the front with 16 megapixels in an attempt to advertise to younger markets. Won't lie, it isn't half bad. I'd probably say it's better than the back, but some pictures seem a little washed, but overall the quality is there with the sharpness. The onboard user face is very simple. It's rocking that Android 8.0 with Snapdragon 625 octa-core 2GHz CPU. Definitely offers some fast speeds through daily tasks and gaming. For a budget mobile like this, an onboard processor unit that actually can handle most of the demands from modern day apps and games is hard to find, and in my honest opinion, the S2 has stepped up and done that this time. It's a very simple phone with very simple intentions. There's not much for me to say about this. There's plenty of videos with all the specs and comparisons on here, so take a look at them. You're not going to be super impressed with the user face, but take into note the intention is to provide you with a practical phone without all the unnecessary things that would just bump up the price even more. In my utmost honest opinion, if you're after a phone for, let's say, traveling or a second headset, then surely a phone like this with a fantastic price and support for everything smartphone, I'd highly recommend the investment. Till next time.